Hi, ako Salner. Share ko lang. Alam niyo bang meron kaming tinatawag na fireman's prayer? Opo, fireman's prayer. Isa ito sa mga importanteng kailangan matutunan ng isang bagong bumbero. Tara, sabayan niyo ako manalangin. When I am called to duty, God, whenever flames may rage, give me strength to save some lives, whatever be its age. Help me embrace a little child before it's too late, or save an older person from the horror of that fate. Enable me to be alert and hear the quickest shout, and quickly and efficiently to put the fire out. I want to feel my calling to give the best in me, to guard my every neighbor, protect its property. And if according to my faith, I am to lose my life, please bless with your protecting hand my family from strife. Sana po, Ma'am Sir, may natutunan kayo ngayong gabi. Thank you po. God bless.